Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
On a sweltering summer day, nothing hits the spot like a refreshing cup of grass jelly. But did you know that this popular treat originated with the Hakka? To prepare it, the leaves and stems of the grass jelly plant are simmered in water and starch. And like magic, this substance becomes jello-like. Legend has it that Good Samaritans used to leave this drink out by the road for travelers to enjoy. To the exhausted passerby, this was ambrosia. Hence the Chinese name Xiancao, which literally means grass or herbs bestowed by the gods.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello, 大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Summer is here, and I love to drink a lot of beverages.
說啊
10幾年前回到台灣，那個時候就愛上一種飲料。聽說客家人也很愛，也很喜歡。對，清涼，然後又有點黑黑的。
我知道了啦，
但不是咖啡，
鹹臭茶。
對，沒錯，仙草茶。The grass jelly drink, it is refreshing. I love it, especially when it's ice chilled and cold, okay? And it can also be made into a dessert. 其實仙草呢，不只是做茶，而且有時候還做成仙草凍那樣子。
對。
When you see grass jelly out in the market or at a restaurant, usually it's made into a jelly, and it's also known as the Taiwanese pudding, 也就是所謂的台灣土布丁。聽說有人這樣子稱呼它啦。
我是第一次聽到。
不過很貼切啊，對不對？
對，
真的很像布丁。其實這個仙草到底是怎麼做出來的啊？
仙草它是一個1年生的草本植物，收成起來之後呢，我們會先把它曬乾之後呢，要先儲藏個幾年之後，才可以再拿出來煮仙草茶。
哇，這麼費功夫哈！
對呀。
When you enjoy of grass jelly tea, you should remember it takes a long time to make this because they harvest the leaves, the stems, they sun dry it for a long period of time, store it away for more than a year, and then they boil it into the tea that you're going to enjoy soon.
因為以前客家人經常從事那些比較花勞力的工作，所以呢，在太陽底下曬的時候，其實很容易中暑，所以就喝這個仙草茶，就看我們捏豆，
就是中暑的意思，對不對？That means a heat stroke, and drinking this beverage would kind of help out, and prevent heat strokes if you're going to be spending a long period of time under the sun. All right, let's review these terms. 仙草, the grass jelly.
鹹臭.
And if you make it into a tea, it's 仙草茶, the grass jelly drink.
鹹臭茶.
And then finally, let's hope you don't suffer from a heat stroke. 中暑.
捏豆.
And there you have it. I highly recommend this drink. It may be a little bit bitter at first, but trust me, it's very refreshing. And that does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只說張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.